Have you ever wondered just how deep the bond between a dog and their human can go? Today, we're diving into a story that truly shows the incredible loyalty and love our canine companions have for us. It's a powerful reminder of why we call them our best friends. This story takes us to Santo Antônio, Brazil, where a little dog named Mel captured the hearts of an entire community. Mel's owner, a homeless man, suddenly fell ill and had to be rushed to the hospital. For most of us, this would be a confusing and scary time. And for Mel, it was no different. All she knew was that her favorite person in the world was gone. But Mel didn't wander off or look for a new home. Instead, she did something truly remarkable. She found the hospital where her owner had been taken and sat right outside the entrance, waiting. Day after day, through sun and rain, Mel kept her vigil. She wasn't just waiting, she was holding onto hope, believing that her owner would walk back out that door. The hospital staff couldn't help but notice this devoted little dog. They were deeply moved by her unwavering dedication. They made sure she had food and water, keeping an eye on her while she waited patiently. Her loyalty was a daily reminder of the powerful, unspoken connection between a person and their pet. Weeks went by, and Mel never gave up. Her story began to spread, touching everyone who heard it. The hospital staff knew they had to do something more. As soon as Mel's owner was well enough to take short walks, they arranged a special reunion. Imagine the moment. The hospital doors open, and her owner steps out. Mel's tail starts wagging uncontrollably. The reunion was incredibly emotional. After weeks of waiting, Mel was finally back with her human. Her story isn't just about a dog waiting for her owner. It's about the pure, unconditional love that dogs offer us. They will go to incredible lengths, facing any difficulty, just to be by our side. Stories like Mel's show us that a dog's love is a powerful force. It's a bond that transcends circumstances, reminding us of the simple, profound connections that make life beautiful. What are some of your favorite stories of animal loyalty? Share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you love stories that warm your heart, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. We'll see you in the next video.